subscribe to our YouTube channel, and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Chinese smartphone maker ZTE has launched its new smartphone in Malaysia called ZTE Blade A73, with 5G support. Now let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The ZTE Blade A73 5G features a 6.52-inch HD Plus display, with up to 90 Hz refresh rate support, and it has a water drop notch at the top center that carries in 5-megapixel selfie shooter. The rear panel of the phone looks to have a dual camera set up under circular ring at the top center that houses an 13-megapixel main camera, along with the 2-megapixel depth sensor. Under the hood, the ZTE Blade A73 5G comes powered by Uni SoC T760 chipset, paired with Mali G57MC4 GPU. The smartphone packs with 4 GB of RAM that can be extended up to another 4 GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 GB of onboard storage. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 13 out of the box, and it is backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, NFC, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 163.5 by 75.2 by 8.5mm. So now let's see the pricing details of this smartphone. The ZTE Blade A73 5G has been priced in Malaysia at 749 Malaysian ringgits, and it is now available for purchase in the country in single grey color option. So, what do you guys think of this ZTE Blade A73 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below. And stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.